Welcome to our video on the 7 incredible herbs for nerve damage. Neuropathy or nerve damage can result from compromised or damaged nerves in the body. Symptoms of neuropathy often include pain, numbness, and weakness in the muscles. Numerous factors such as autoimmune diseases, diabetes, and physical injuries can result in this condition. Thankfully, there are some herbs that have been shown to promote nerve health and ease these pains. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for a youthful glow. Let's get started. At number 7, chamomile is more than just a soothing bedtime tea. It's a powerful herbal remedy for calming damaged nerves. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, chamomile plays a key role in managing neuropathic pain by targeting the inflammatory pathways that exacerbate discomfort. Its rich content of flavonoids, particularly apigenin, helps to reduce inflammation and ease nerve pain. In addition to pain relief, chamomile's mild sedative effects can improve sleep quality, which is essential for the body's healing processes, including nerve repair. Whether you enjoy it as a tea or use extracts, chamomile can significantly enhance your overall well-being by reducing pain and promoting better sleep. Not only does chamomile help alleviate neuropathic pain, but it also supports your body's natural healing. Moving to number 6, peppermint oil, rich in menthol, is highly effective when applied topically, providing a cooling sensation that can alleviate the burning and tingling of neuropathy. Menthol activates cold-sensitive TRPM8 receptors in the skin, creating a cooling effect that distracts from pain by temporarily overriding discomfort signals to the brain, offering quick relief from nerve damage. Beyond its cooling properties, peppermint oil also boasts anti-inflammatory effects that significantly reduce swelling and pain, making it especially beneficial for conditions like diabetic neuropathy. Its versatility allows it to be used in massages, baths, or even as a compress, enhancing its overall effectiveness. However, to prevent any skin irritation, it's crucial to dilute peppermint oil with a carrier oil before application. This simple precaution ensures that you can fully enjoy its therapeutic benefits without any unwanted side effects. At number 5, there is ginger. Ginger emerges not just as a culinary favorite, but as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, long used to combat the inflammation associated with neuropathic pain and nerve damage. Ginger, long valued for its medicinal properties, is an excellent choice for neuropathic pain due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Substances such as gingerols and shogalls reduce pain and swelling, especially around injured nerves, by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines. Its warming effect also promotes blood circulation, aiding in the healing process and providing relief to affected areas. Similar to NSAIDs in its analgesic qualities but without the negative effects, ginger is a safer alternative for long-term nerve pain such as that caused by diabetic neuropathy. It is possible to reduce nerve pain and enhance nerve function by including ginger in your diet through tea, smoothies, or meals, as well as by using topical gels and supplements. Regular consumption can even help prevent further nerve damage, making ginger a holistic solution for neuropathy management. Coming in at number 4 on our list, ashwagandha is a vital herb in Ayurvedic medicine because of its stress-relieving capacity and adaptogenic qualities. Ashwagandha improves resilience to both physical and emotional stress, making it especially helpful for people with damaged nerves. Beyond stress relief, ashwagandha promotes nerve cell repair, aiding in the regeneration of axons and dendrites, which are crucial for restoring normal nerve function. Its anti-inflammatory effects also help reduce pain and improve mobility by decreasing inflammation around damaged nerves. Additionally, ashwagandha is known to enhance cognitive function, further supporting the brain's ability to manage nerve pain. Available in capsule, powder, or tincture form, regular use of ashwagandha can support nerve repair and overall well-being, while also helping to maintain a balanced mood and mental clarity. Ginkgo biloba, which ranks 3rd, is a popular herb in TCM that is said to improve circulation. Improved blood flow is crucial for nerve repair, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients to damaged nerves. Ginkgo biloba can accelerate nerve recovery, particularly in neuropathy, where poor circulation aggravates symptoms. It also helps diabetic patients by enhancing blood flow and reducing further nerve damage. Moreover, Ginkgo biloba has neuroprotective properties that can help preserve cognitive function, making it beneficial for those experiencing nerve-related cognitive decline. Additionally, Ginkgo biloba's antioxidants protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, supporting overall nerve health. Available in tablets, capsules, and extracts, regular use can improve circulation, protect nerve cells, and aid in nerve healing, making it a top natural choice for nerve health. Consistent use may also contribute to improved mental clarity and memory, adding to its wide range of benefits. The second-ranked herb, St. John's wort, is renowned for its neuroprotective qualities and success in treating neuropathic pain. Due to its composition of hypericin and hyperforin, it is essential for preserving nerve function, promoting regeneration, and lowering inflammation. St. John's wort alleviates pain and enhances neurological comfort by modulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play key roles in mood regulation and pain perception. The herb effectively reduces pain sensitivity and enhances emotional well-being by balancing these neurotransmitters, which makes it a useful treatment for neuropathic pain and its associated discomfort. This modulation is a complete natural remedy for nerve health, addressing not only the physical aspect of pain, but also the emotional stress that frequently coexists with chronic nerve conditions. St. John's wort, available in capsules, teas, and tinctures, improves nerve health and alleviates neuropathic pain but requires medical supervision due to potential drug interactions. Securing the top spot, turmeric is a powerful herb celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits, largely attributed to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin effectively reduces inflammation and alleviates nerve pain by inhibiting enzymes that cause inflammation and boosting antioxidant levels. The herb's antioxidant properties protect nerve cells from oxidative stress, creating a more favorable environment for nerve regeneration and optimal function. Turmeric can be easily incorporated into your diet by adding it to meals, enjoying it in teas, or taking it as a concentrated supplement in capsule form. Regular use of turmeric can significantly enhance nerve function, reduce pain, and improve overall nerve health, making it a premier natural choice for managing nerve-related conditions. That concludes our top 7 herbs for nerve damage. Each herb offers unique benefits, so consider adding them to your routine for natural nerve support. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, take care of yourself and keep looking amazing. Bye.